this thing is fast. My transmitter's messed up though, but this is the proper remote for it. It's just. There you go. Hey guys, Alex Khan here, and I want to show you this pretty rare find. You guys saw my one video where I had that Chrysler 300, but it was very much used and there was no remote for it. So this is the same RC car, but this one is in mint condition. And I got this one for a steal because the guy who sold this listed it incorrectly. He listed this as the 1/16 scale RC, but this is actually more 1/10 or possibly 1/12 scale. It's the same scale as my my Dub City Dodge Magnum that I had a few years ago. Same scale as that. And you can also tell that it's the bigger scale one because it comes with that little 1/64 die-cast toy model of this RC. So I'm going to unbox this for you guys. And you guys probably already saw the driving footage that I put before this clip. So let's take it out of the box. I'm very excited about this, guys. This is pretty much in mint condition. The box is kind of worn out, but it was made in 2005, so it's gonna be kind of worn out just because of time. So let's see which side I should start on. I'm probably gonna do this side here. So we're gonna cut this tape off. We're gonna break the Jada tape on it. All right. So one side, oh, there's more on the bottom here. So I'm glad that it hasn't been cut yet. So that says that it's pretty much unopened. I mean, you can always put the tape back. That's true. But I like the psychological feel that it's never been opened. So let's take it out of the box, guys. Oh, I'm so excited. Opens like that. Here is the instruction manual. So Dub City was made by Jada Toys. Ooh, this instruction manual is mint condition too. Wow. Dub City RC rollers. Let's put that on the ground. And let's take this bad boy out of the box. And I typically don't like modern cars, but this one can make a very cool video. Like, I'm not going to keep it stock. Like, I'll show some stock footage of it driving, but this one is eventually going to get modified and hobby graded in terms of appearance and performance. So nothing else inside the box. Very cool. Here's what the back looks like. This is the defense measures that that Jada took to keep this item secure. So let's start with the twisties here. Sometimes I can cheat with the scissors, but they don't seem too hard. But let me try to untwist it. Nah, I'm gonna try to cut it. One down. Come on. Two down. One more down here. I think this one I can twist off. Wasn't much room for my scissors anyways. Good. Okay, that only releases the remote. And this back side here. So this part comes right off. Remote is free. I gotta find the antenna. It's somewhere inside here. It's got this cover for the remote still. Very much mint condition. So the box is coming apart. I can tell that the car is still secured from the bottom. But there's a battery right here, which I can charge up in a minute. Come on. I like this this floor here. It looks like part of a street. All right, here's a AA battery. Sorry, not a 9 volt. Sorry, not double. It's a 9 volt. Oh, look at this. This is gonna be a pain in the butt, guys. Maybe. Let's try to untwist it. Sometimes untwisting it is faster than using the scissors and less painful. But sometimes it's not. I'm having trouble with this right now. Here we go. Good. Got that one off. Try to get this one off now. Yeah, sometimes it comes right off. Sometimes it doesn't. This is one of those cases where it's kind of doing it. It's hard to see the pattern that they wound it up in, though. That one came off. Good. All right. 2 more to go, guys. I'm making some pretty good progress here. I had one video where I spent like 20 minutes untying these things, and I had to fast forward through it or cut it because it was taking too long for the video. That one's good. One more. So when I'm done with this unboxing, I want to put all these pieces back in the box so I don't lose it. All right, this car can come off now. It's still going to be kind of attached. Okay, still attached. Got to pull it off on one side. And I can probably pull it all the way through from the other side. Come on. God, it's so painful getting this. You would think with all the RC cars I've unboxed, this would be a lot easier. But it's not. Jesus. Okay, let's just cut this crap. This crap is really annoying me, guys. No excuse for this. One. So there comes a point in your life where you just got to cut that crap. And that's some free life advice for you guys. Come on. Almost, guys. Jeez. What a pain in the butt. So let me put this car here. Before I go any further, here is a little toy die-cast car that comes with it. It's 1/64 scale. Pretty cool. And there's probably an antenna here that goes into the transmitter. Oh, here's the charger, which can be kind of useless, but these things take way too long. I've got my own charger for these batteries. Oh, here's, well, I'm sure the antenna's here somewhere. It might even be in this box. Yep, here's the antenna. It's in the other box right here. And there's also the 9.6V battery that goes in here. So let's take this crap off the car. Oh my gosh. Why did they put it all the way in there? Ugh. This is for historical purposes, guys. One day, people are going to be curious as to how it was to open one of these things. Well, now you know. I wasted everyone's time now. All right, mint condition, guys. Let me make sure I'm still recording this. Yep, good, still recording. This is very much mint condition. You guys saw my other Chrysler 300, same exact model. And that one's kind of, it's got scratches in it. It's battle worn. And then we got these spinners for the wheels here. But yeah, I totally intend to what do you call it? Hobby grade this eventually. But I'm gonna show you what this looks like driving. Well, I already showed you what it looks like driving in its stock form. It's got all those really crazy lights on it. But the way I film these, I unbox it first, filming it, unboxing, and then I film it driving, and then that clip goes at the start of this video. Because some people have short attention spans and they don't want to watch the unboxing. So 27 megahertz. I want to make a comment on the transmitter. This steering wheel is it's actually sticky. See that? Turn all over to the left and it stayed there. It's supposed to reset to its home position, but it's not resetting. So these are all the batteries that comes with it. It's got a 9-volt to 9.6V battery, and then the charger, which goes really slow, and then the mint condition instruction manual. It's all mint condition. Here's the radio transmitter. It's 27 megahertz frequency. And then here is the beautiful car itself. These things are really sinister looking for a modern car. So it's roughly, I don't know, it's a little over, it's less than 17 inches long. We'll call it that. And then the wheelbase, in case you're wondering, that's important for hobby grading. It's almost 10.5 inches wheelbase, just about. And then the width, it's a pretty narrow car, I can tell you that. This is a rough measurement, guys. It's about 6 inches wide, possibly less. It's hard to tell. I'm doing a really quick measurement for the video. So, very beautiful RC. And yeah, you guys know I have my other one too, which is not mint condition. I've got a lot of remote transmitters, so sometimes I forget what each one is. So I'm just gonna write here for my sake what this goes to. Let's write Chrysler. .300C. And so here's my other one. It's all scratched up, and that's the way I got it. And unfortunately, this badging on the front, the Chrysler badging, is just a sticker. I hate when they do that. Why couldn't it just hard print it into it or make an actual hard badge for it? I don't like these stickers. And it looks like this might be a sticker too, where it says Hemi on there. I'll use this one to look around. Yeah, these are all stickers. Why couldn't I just use an actual badge? Oh, I hate that. Whatever. But I just wanted to show you the my two Chrysler 300s.